if you want to turn on edge lighting on POCO M8, like for example in my case, as you can see in the top and at the bottom, you can only do this by using application from the Google Play Store. In my case, I'm using Movies Edge. There's probably more applications for this one, but here, as you can see, we can find edge lights. And when you swipe to the left or the right side, you can actually find a lot of different themes that you can apply. All of those themes with a star are actually paid. So if you want to get it for free, you have to select those without this star. So there's actually a couple of them, and you can still customize them by clicking here. Like you can change thickness, spread, length, and so and so. So you can just customize this. Then you have to click save, and by going to the settings, you have to accept all of those permissions and set this to be visible even when you are using that home screen. So this is it. Thanks for watching this video.